morning, guys. Today we are at Brian's shop and we are doing an install. Today we are putting on our All-Pro Apex High Clearance Steer bumper. We hope you stick around and enjoy this video.
Plate. Okay. Oh, for plugging up the holes. And these must be the lights, I'm guessing. Which.
Yep.
Yep, because there's a gasket. Those are some nice lights. Check those.
Very good. We gotta wire them in.
Yeah. The future Walter Brown.
There. Fill rock.
Thanks.
Hey! How'd your truck get so dirty?
I don't know. It's just a ball crawler. All right. I wonder if I have to actually pop the plastic off this to get into the sensors.
Yeah, maybe.
Braking. It's not like I'm using it again, though. Huh? The clip? Oh, let's save those clips.
Maybe. Let's save the rocks too.
The sensor. Alright, let's see.
We need to remove the metal piece out of there.
I think if we remove, the reason I was trying to get this plastic off so we can get to this easier,
Yeah.
remove that and then they'll pop out this way. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly. That's the way they're supposed to.
I'm just trying to get these clamps off. I know, right?
It's a hell of a lot heavier.
I think if anybody runs into me, they're gonna have a problem now.
Yeah.
Boom, boom.
Nice looking bumper.
Not bad, eh?
That end.
Here's for my trail for the.
Yeah. Bottle just go up under.
That's Kuka, man. Look at these flanges on the back. It's like ridiculous.
There's no way that's it. Pushing snap. Take a snap.
Good snap, I know.
Doesn't come through far enough.
Or am I missing? No.
It just doesn't come through far enough.
Oh, it went that time.
That good. There you go. No, it's not.
I really felt it click that time, huh?
Yeah, it's right at the edge. We're just gonna force it up to
lock it in.
make sure it stays. There we go.
I wish they would have given some like holes for it or something. You know what I mean? Sticky side would go to that. This might be a job for you and your, oh no, nails, I was about to say. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, baby. I'm surprised they do not give you lock washers with these.
Well, oh yeah, they're not even lock nuts.
They're not even, yeah, they're not even nylocks or anything.
I can get some of those.
Do you have some? Nylocks or?
Nylocks, yeah.
I don't have to worry about it. These suckers are going to be bright. Bright, I say. What's that?
When are you going to use these?
When am I going to use these?
Yeah, these are good for when you're backing up.
Or just dirt trail lights. Flick them on so that people can see in front of me when dusty.
Yeah, the guy behind you.
Or camp, because I'm going to put
It's a good
eventually.
thing you're always so far behind.
Oh.
Whoa.
Well, you know
Listen
what?
to her
It's
talk
a good
shit,
thing
eh?
that's where I like to be.
A lot of shit talking going on there.
Well,
For the lenses, I think. I don't know. I've got one sort of sat here until
okay,
we get the nylocks. They're all out. Okay.
This is gonna hit. I'm gonna take that out.
That's gonna hit?
Yeah.
Just let it hang. We can feed it wherever we need it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready? Hold on. One second. Get that out of the way.
Come on, get up there.
You're on that bolt though, right?
Not quite. I'm up in it.
Yeah. That's.
You want to get one bolt in? That's much higher.
Yeah, it's huge. Huge clamps. Too much? Did it come down?
Not really.
That's good. And then we'll.
Just hand this side.
That.
Which one did you do?
Okay. Now.
Actually, looks pretty nice.
Pretty good. I like it a lot. That looks pretty even.
I think so. I'm looking at the body lines on the side here.
Yeah.
Looking at the height.
Light's It's good.